Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Changing your Gmail password on an iPad is a quick process that keeps your account secure and protects your private data. First, locate the Gmail app on your home screen and tap to open it. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture or initial is located. Tap that small icon to open a menu. From this menu, select the button that says Manage your Google account. This will open a new settings page for your entire Google profile right inside the app. Look at the top navigation bar and swipe across until you find the Security tab. Tap on Security to see your account protection options and login history. Scroll down until you see the section specifically titled Signing into Google. You will see a row labeled Password with the date you last changed it. Tap that row to proceed to the next screen. For security reasons, Google will ask you to enter your current password first. Type it in carefully and tap the Next button. Now you can enter your brand new password. Make sure it is strong, unique, and hard to guess. Type the new password again in the second box to confirm it matches perfectly. Finally, tap the blue Change Password button at the bottom of the screen. Your Gmail password is now updated across all your devices and apps. It is a good idea to update your password every few months to stay safe online. If you use other Google apps like Drive or Photos, you must sign in with this new password.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.